Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone mobile data or cellular data not working in 2021 on any iPhone device, iPhone 12, iPhone 11, older ones, and probably the newer ones. I've updated this video to work in 2021, as I said. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know. So to fix your iPhone mobile data or cellular data not working in 2021, the first thing you want to do is go over to your settings and make sure there's no airplane mode on, which will pretty much it will stop your internet connection, mobile data. You want to check mobile data and you want to see that it's on right here. You want to have a green toggle on it. You can also check it by just swiping up and making sure you have the green button and on, and there's no orange button on the airplane. The next thing you can do is actually go over to your general tab, go down to reset, and you can basically reset network and settings, the third option. You just gotta enter in your passcode. This helped a lot of people. But another option is going back and clicking on VPN and make sure there's no VPN on, because chances are if the VPN is offline, you will need be able to have mobile data. A lot of people just fix their issue by just holding the volume up and the power button like this, but not for a screenshot, but to turn off their phone. So yeah, one of these guides should help you fix this issue. I really hope it did. And if this video helped you out, you can give me a like. If you didn't, also one more thing, you can go general software update and make sure you have the latest update of iOS. That also helps us, because sometimes it's an old issue and Apple will patch it. So yeah, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. And I want to see you in the next video.